your indoor garden could be a personal tea shop, a sublime sanctuary tucked away within the confines of your home, a place where you can cultivate a wide range of aromatic herbs and plants, an oasis that holds within it the potential to transform your living space into a laboratory of tea brewing. An indoor garden is not something we often think of when we consider tea making, but it offers a wealth of opportunities to create teas that resonate with your personal taste and preferences. Just picture it, your home, the place you retire to after a long day, can hide within its walls a haven of diverse tea possibilities. Each corner of your living room, kitchen, or even your bedroom could be a potential site for your indoor garden. With the right plants and herbs, you can embark on a tea brewing adventure right from the comfort of your home. Imagine the plants you could grow: mint, chamomile, lavender, and so many more. Consider this. These are not just aesthetically pleasing plants that add a splash of greenery to your living space. They are much more significant than that. They are the doorways to your very own herbal tea paradise. Each plant brings its own unique aroma and flavor profile to your cup of tea, transforming a simple pot of hot water into an invigorating or calming infusion. Picture yourself gently plucking these leaves and flowers, feeling their texture against your skin, inhaling their rich, earthy scents. The act of picking the herbs is a meditative process in itself, a gentle reminder to slow down and savor the moment. Once you have your fresh herbs, it's time to move on to the next step: brewing. Get your pot boiling and let the anticipation grow within you. It's the same bubbling that's echoing from inside the kettle. Steeping time is upon us, and it's a magical process. Let's start with mint. Mint leaves, meet your destiny with hot water. Picture the scene. You carefully select the most fragrant aromatic leaves from your indoor mint. You purposefully bruise them gently, a tiny crunch resonating in your ears as you release the potent oils and fragrance. You let them steep for precisely 5 minutes, keeping a careful eye on the clear water as it gradually takes on a pale green hue. And just like that, you have a refreshing cup of mint tea. An invigorating aroma fills the air, lingering long after the last sip, a reminder of the herbal goodness within your cup. But that's not all. The chamomile flowers, patiently waiting their turn, beckon you next. They undergo the same treatment, handled with reverence and steeped in boiling water for 5 minutes. As you observe, the water transforms into a delicate golden hue, a visual delight that signals the successful creation of a calming chamomile infusion. A sip of this chamomile tea and you can feel your stresses dissipate, replaced by a serene calm. The chamomile blossoms, once mere decor in your indoor garden, have now served their purpose in creating this calming brew. Next in line are the lavender buds. Lavender, a potent herb that imparts a distinctive floral note to your tea. Handle these buds with the same tender care, allowing them to steep for 10 minutes, and you will be rewarded with a floral treat that aids relaxation and sleep. There's a world beyond these 3 plants. The world of tea brewing is vast and limitless, filled with herbs and flowers waiting to be discovered and experimented with. Each one brings its own unique and therapeutic properties. A cup of rosemary tea for enhancing memory, a cup of sage tea for soothing a sore throat, a cup of lemon balm tea for promoting better sleep. The possibilities truly are infinite, limited only by how far your creativity is willing to stretch. Your indoor garden is a treasure trove waiting to be discovered. It holds the potential for countless cups of aromatic tea, for endless moments of peace and tranquility, for countless memories to be made. So brew on and let your indoor garden be your guide. Always remember, each plant has its own story to tell. Each leaf or flower is an ingredient in your very own personal tea journey. Happy brewing!